Hello guys, so we'll deal with optical isomerism once again. We have already completed our plane of symmetry part. So we are doing symmetry, right? The symmetry elements to find out whether a molecule will be chiral or achiral. So our today's topic is center of symmetry. Center of symmetry. Okay, this is generally known by I because it is also called center of inversion. Center of symmetry or center of inversion. Now what is this center of symmetry or center of inversion? So we need to understand this very well, otherwise we will not be able to do the CPP lying ahead, correct? So see, in a molecule if there is a point, so you can write this, in a molecule if there is a point, okay, from which if a line is extended to both the direction by equal distance, then the line shall encounter similar groups or same part of molecule on the both sides. Please write it down. You can pause the video and write it down, no problems with that, okay. So what did I say? I said that the point should be such that if you draw a line through that point, then the line on the opposite side should encounter similar elements or same elements or same part of the molecule or similar part of the molecule, okay. So it can be like this, right? If you see this one, this is a simple cyclobutane. So if this is the center of symmetry or center of inversion, if you draw a line like this, then you can see this line on both the sides is encountering the same part of the molecule, right, or similar part of the molecule. So this is a center of symmetry. Clear hai? Now let us take a very classical example of truxilic acid. So I'll draw this. So just you draw a parallelogram, okay. You can draw a parallelogram like this. Draw a parallelogram, okay. Each corner is having a carbon atom. Here is a phenyl group, okay, hydrogen, COOH group here. Take your time, don't be in a hurry. Stereoisomerism is anyways a pretty complicated subject, makes people a little bit perplexed, but if studied in a small form it won't create much difference, and up to 11th 12th level or JEE level it's not that hard, okay. It can be understood and can be encountered very easily, okay. So let us find out a center of symmetry in this case. Let's take an arbitrary point over here which looks to be a center of symmetry. So if you see this one, then if I try to draw it from COOH, then I'll see it encounters COOH on the other side at equal distances. Similarly, if you want to draw it from phenyl, it will encounter a phenyl on the other side like this. If you want to draw from hydrogen, it will encounter a hydrogen on the other side. If you want to draw from this hydrogen, it will encounter on this one, okay. So this is basically the structure of alpha truxilic acid. Nice name, huh? So here we can see that wherever you draw a line inside the molecule, wherever you want to draw a line, anywhere you can draw, you will get same part of the molecule or same element on the opposite side of that line. So this molecule has a center of symmetry. So please write down all lines passing through I. So this one I will call is at I, ठीक है. this molecule, this point is called I, okay, this point. Please write, all lines passing through I must encounter identical atoms or same, or not write same, similar part of the molecule on the either side. ठीक है. If any one of the line fails to do so, ठीक है, if any one of the line fails to do so, it will not be considered as center of symmetry. What does it mean? It means if any one of the line, if I draw this one, any one doesn't follow this criteria, then our center of symmetry is wrong. उसमें center of symmetry वो वाला point नहीं है. That point is not center of symmetry. Clear? Okay. Now let us take another example. Quite a simple one this time. Better than alpha truxilic acid. हो गया. Now let us see this. If I take, which point should it be? So if I try to take it as this point, so if I draw this like so, great, it happens, right? It happens. Okay, so center of symmetry बन रहा है. Is it happening, the center of symmetry? Please check if the center of symmetry is okay or not. Please check. Up till now okay है. Now if I try to draw a line from this H through this point, then you will find no H on this side. So this molecule is devoid of center of symmetry. No I. This is not a I. Clear? No center of symmetry, because if any one of the line fails to follow the criteria, then it will not be a center of symmetry. ठीक है. सब लाइन को उस साइड इस साइड सेम होना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, होते हबे. Okay, now let's take another example, mesotartaric acid. So I can rub this. So those who have already gone through the optical isomerism of the Bode's level part will be very much familiar with tartaric acid, the mesotartaric acid, right? Nice one. So this is tartaric acid. Now let us see whether it has a center of symmetry or not. Okay, let us draw this one. Okay, it follows. It follows. Right? Everything is getting very beautifully followed. It has a center of symmetry. This is mesotartaric acid. ठीक है, क्लियर है. ऑल्सो राइट डाउन, ऑल द प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री शुड पास थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री. ओके, ऑल प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री शुड पास थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री. कैन आई रब दिस? फिनिश्ड. Okay, now we'll be doing our CPP on center of symmetry. Okay, so number 1, benzene. Extremely symmetrical molecule. It has a center of symmetry. You know, all of us should know this. It's just an hexagon. So many center of symmetries, right? So many lines can be passed like this. So it has a center of symmetry. होगा. Next to number 2. Okay, this is good one. In this case, how do you determine whether it has cos or not? See, this is in plane, this is out plane. I have already taught you all these things. So COS नहीं हो पाएगा. ठीक है ना, दोनों का प्लेन अलग है. Both planes are different, so COS is not possible. Number 3. You can take this point as center of symmetry. I think हो जाएगा. हाँ, COS बनेगा. Number 4. H Cl Cl H. So if I consider this as in, this will be out, this will be in, this will be out. If this is out, then this is out. If this is in, this is in. Huh? So इसमें देखो, इसमें this is not possible, because if you want to draw this like this, if this is in one of the plane, this will be in another plane. ठीक है ना? So this case center of symmetry will not be there. No center of symmetry in this case, because the planes are different. 90 degree. Next. Five. Will there be any center of symmetry in this case? I don't think there is a chance. नहीं हो पाता है. H से Cl not possible. No center of symmetry. Clear है? Next. Okay, this is a nice molecule, the methane. So, see, we have already checked in our last class, in our plane of symmetry class, that plane of symmetry is there in methane, but is there any center of symmetry? Now, how is methane? Methane is basically like this. If you see that 3 hydrogens are like the 3 fingers, if you just protrude like this, okay, like this. So if you try to draw a line from the upper hydrogen over here, it will pass through the middle and will not touch any other hydrogen while it goes down. So methane does not have any center of symmetry. No center of symmetry for methane. You have to remember one thing in COS, all the lines passing through the center of symmetry you have chosen must touch similar atoms or same atoms or similar part of the molecules on the either side, clear, of the center of the symmetry you have chosen. Now this is number 7. Okay, now this one, can it have a center of symmetry? Is this possible? Let's see. If this is the center of symmetry, just see this one. ऐसा दिया था. थोड़ा चेंज होगा इसमें. So you need to check it. So see, this is outside the plane, that is inside the plane. So if from inside the plane I draw it outside the plane, this will pass through this center of symmetry. Similar in this case. Any other line you draw, sorry, it will pass through the similar parts of molecule, so it has a center of symmetry. Simple, huh? Number 8. Now this one can be your homework, I think. एक तो होमवर्क बनता है. द स्टैगर्ड एन ब्यूटेन, राइट। सो इसमें सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री होगा या नहीं होगा ये आपको निकालना पड़ेगा, एंड आई थिंक यू गाइज विल डू इट वेरी इजीली. I don't think much of an involvement is required from my side. Biphenyl type compounds, we have already stormed our brain a lot in case of POS. So it's the time of COS. I hope it doesn't bother us any further because actually it is done, right? So if you see this one, you are definitely know this thing, that this is like this, the second part is like this and the first part is like this. Okay, so if you want to draw a center of symmetry for this one, I don't think this will be possible, because if this is the center of symmetry, see, if you just start with NO2, okay, it will not reach NO2, and in any case highly unsymmetrical, no center of symmetry. Another HW, see, the best thing about stereoisomerism which I like personally is it makes you think. It not only makes the students think, it makes the teachers also think. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है तुर्की में हो जाएगा. ठीक है, if anybody says that ऐसे ही हो जाता है, he or she may be applying some tricks, but all tricks has its limitations. Remember one thing. ठीक है, so it just makes you think, and that is the beauty of this stereochemistry. It makes you think. It makes you in a three-dimensional think in a three-dimensional way. It doesn't make you think just pen and paper 1 + 1 2. No, yeah, it makes you think in a three-dimensional way, and that makes it so beautiful. डेफिनेटली जो चीज़ सबको आता है वो करके मज़ा नहीं है. जिसमें प्रॉब्लम है उसी में सॉल्यूशन करके मज़ा मिलेगा, और उसी में अपॉर्चुनिटी भी होगा. Wherever there is a problem, there will be opportunity. So this is your homework. Try to find out some center of symmetry if it is there. Triphenyl compound. ठीक है, and also try to find out if there is some POS or plane of symmetry. ठीक है, so for COS it will be Aam Zindagi for you guys. I think so for POS you have to apply some Mentos Zindagi. Try to do that. Okay. So yes, there is a center of symmetry clearly visible over here. OH on this side, OH on this side. Yes, you can draw it diagonally. This is clear. Yes, so here it will be. This is an easy one, nothing much. Biphenyl I am not giving, because biphenyl I think you guys can do, but still you can try this. Another biphenyl, little bit different in this case. Just remember one thing in center of symmetry, all the lines should follow the criteria, not a single line should follow the criteria, all the lines should follow the criteria. So this is also HW. Okay, so that's all for center of symmetry. Very small video. I hope you guys will enjoy it, and you guys will enjoy doing it. Not only doing it correctly, you guys will also enjoy solving this and applying your brain. That's what I want. ठीक है ना, वो एकदम बाल खींचने वाला उस टाइप का जिंदगी चाहिए. थैंक यू.